Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Sentry for Flutter error tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Sentry for Flutter error tracking, start by creating a Sentry account at Sentry.io if you haven't already. Log into your Sentry account and create a new project. Choose Flutter as the platform for your new project. Once the project is created, you will receive a DSN or data source name. Open your Flutter project in your preferred code editor. In your Flutter project, locate the pubspec.yaml file. Add the Sentry Flutter SDK dependency to the pubspec.yaml file. You can do this by including Sentry_Flutter, 6.0.0 under the dependencies section. After adding the dependency, run flutter pubget in your terminal to install the package. Next, open your main Dart file, typically main.dart. Import the Sentry package at the top of your main.dart file by adding import package Sentry_Flutter/Sentry_Flutter.dart. Wrap your run app function with the Sentry Flutter.init method to initialize Sentry. Pass in your DSN as a parameter inside the Sentry Flutter.init method. You can also set the environment and other configurations in this method. Once Sentry is initialized, it's time to set up error handling. You can use the Sentry Flutter error handler by wrapping your Flutter application with it. This will ensure that all unhandled errors are captured by Sentry. To test the integration, add a button or a trigger in your app that purposely throws an error. You can use throw exception, test exception, to generate an error. Run your app on a simulator or a physical device to trigger the error. Check your Sentry dashboard to see if the error has been logged successfully. You should see details about the error along with the stack trace and other relevant information. To capture additional context, you can add tags, extra data, or user information before sending the event. This can help you diagnose issues more effectively. Make sure to explore the Sentry documentation for further advanced configurations. That's how you can set up Sentry for error tracking in your Flutter application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.